now we have this logarithm equation. So how do we solve? We always have to check the bases of the log if they are the same. The first log we have 6, and the second one we have 1 over 6. The question comes, is that possible to write 1 over 6 in the base of 6? Or is that possible to write 6 in the base of 1 over 6? It is possible. Because 1 over 6 is the same as 6 to the power minus 1. So, if that is possible, then let's apply. We're going to have 6 to the power minus 1 equal x squared plus x. Now, this negative 1 is the exponent of this logarithm's base. I can send at the back the inverse of this exponent as the rule says. But the inverse of 1 is still 1, so I just send the negative 1 at the back multiplying. So I will have x squared log of x squared minus 2x minus 3 to the base 6 minus x times minus 1 and this log equal to 6 squared plus x. Now, minus x times negative 1 is positive. So we'll have x squared log of x squared minus 2x minus 3 to the base 6 plus x log of x squared minus 2x minus 3 to the base 6 equal to x squared plus x. Now, let's look. This log now is the same as this one. I cannot apply any rule. Well, if there was no x and x squared could say the same base, I would have multiplied the arguments. But it's not the case because there is expressions there. I could send on top here to be the exponent of the argument, but that will be a lot of work. What we could do, this log is the same as this log, we can factorize them. So we will have log of this expression to the base 6. Factorizing, we will have x squared plus x equal to x squared plus x. So, x squared plus x, and here x squared plus x. So we can send x squared plus x to this side, so we can also factorize it. We will have x squared plus x times this log minus this whole expression that comes this side. So it's positive comes negative. Now I have x squared plus x squared plus x. I can factorize x squared plus x. I will have log of x squared of this expression to the base 6 minus 1 equal to 0. Again, product of two expressions being equal to 0. In the maths, the product of two expressions are only equal to 0 if at least one of them is 0. So, let's now solve. X squared plus x being equal to 0, or the other part being equal to 0. I can factorize x here, so x plus 1 equal to 0. The same, the product of two numbers is only 0 if at least one of them is 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to negative 1, because this is positive, goes to this side negative. So I have already x equal to 0, x equal to 1. One of the solutions of my equations. Now let's solve this one. This negative 1 can go to the other side to be positive. Why we have to send them? Because we have to apply the fundamental log definition, which says the argument will be equal to the base of the log to the power the number there, which is 1. So I can send this 6 here. I will have x squared minus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, let's now solve applying the quadratic equation, which says x will be equal to minus b, which will become 2 because it's already minus 2 with the minus from the formula, plus square root of minus 2 to the power 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times minus 9. Okay, now we have square root of 4, square root of 2 to the power 2 is 4, minus and minus is plus, 4 times 9. What is 4 times 9? And now we have 36 here, over 2, x is 2 plus or minus. 4 times 36 is 40, and 40 we can write as 4 times 10 over 2. X will be 2 plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 10 over 2. Factorizing 2, we'll have we'll have 1 plus or minus square root of 10 over 2. We cancel, we simplify them, 1 plus or minus square root of 10. So we have x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, and x equal to 1 plus square root of 10 as one solution, and 1 minus square root of 10 as the other solution. Okay, so if you enjoy, leave your like, your comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends.